Considering the fact, of course, this is one of the rare times when Bangladesh Hindus and Bengalis from India have also got together. Are you here also for support to the Bangladeshi Hindus for what they are going through back home in Bangladesh?
Of course, that is really diabolical thing that is happening there. Of course, and my heart goes out for them.
I think watched the news and I was been following on X. It's been pretty rough these days.
Are Hindus safe there?
I don't think so.
Hindus are not safe there.
No, there.
I hope for our brother sister they can enjoy the Durga Puja like us. Joy Ma Durga!
Lot of Hindus from Bangladesh and India have got together here to speak for the solidarity for each other and also celebrate the spirit of Durga Puja as we celebrate Navratras, the proud festival for the Hindus here in the United States as much as we do with the same fervor in India back home. What country are you from, ma'am?
I'm from India,
What part of India?
Kolkata.
Kolkata. How excited are you today to be part of the Times Square Durga Puja event?
It's amazing. Seriously, I never really thought that I would see this kind of thing here. Yeah.
What do you do? What do you do here?
I'm a software engineer. I work in Citibank.
Are you working city back in New York?
Yeah.
And where do you live otherwise? New York or New Jersey?
I am coming from Jersey City actually. Yeah.
Right. Considering the fact, of course, this is one of the rare times when Bangladesh Hindus and Bengalis from India have also got together. Are you here also for support to the Bangladeshi Hindus for what they are going through back home in Bangladesh?
Of course, that is really diabolical thing that is happening there. Of course, and my heart goes out for them.
I came here from New Jersey, enjoying the Durga Puja.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
Where are you from? India. Oh, and India and Bangladesh married to each other.
We are very, very happy, very proud. You know, celebrating the Durga Puja at the Times Square, heart of New York. Joy Ma Durga!
Jai Durga.
Yes.
Are you ma'am, unhappy with the fact that there have been a lot of attacks on Hindus in Bangladesh?
Yes. So we are very, we are hoping our brother sister in Bangladesh, hopefully they can enjoy the Durga Puja, because Bangladesh is their country. It's like nobody's country. So they have 100% right. Like they can celebrate the Durga Puja like we are doing here. So I hope for our brother sister they can enjoy the Durga Puja like us.
And what do you do in New Jersey?
I work for the bank.
You work for the bank. You?
I work in a company.
Okay. So which part of India you come from?
I'm from New Delhi.
Oh, New Delhi.
No.
And you ma'am from where in Bangladesh?
I'm from Chittagong, but I've been here 32 years.
32 years?
Yes.
And same here.
So you got married to each other here in New York?
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a love between
Yeah.
love affair between Delhi and Chittor.
Chittagong, yeah.
You can see, of course, as we at the New Indian bring you the coverage in times of US elections from Times Square. What's your name, sir?
Shubham.
Shubham, where are you from?
I am from Kolkata.
So are you excited that all the
Of
Hindus
course.
have got together here?
Yes, of course.
What do you do in New York?
I am a PhD student
Where?
in City University of New York.
Oh, okay. So you of course feel that there were some problems with the Bangladeshi Hindus in Bangladesh because of the terrorism there?
Yeah, like I have heard about it.
Right. What do you make of it now? Now that all the Indians like you have also joined hands with the Bangladeshi Hindus at Times Square.
It's it's harmony here. Like everybody is here, every Hindu is here. Like it's Durga Puja. Like you have to enjoy. You are Hindu. You are like even if you are not Bengali, you have to enjoy it. Enjoy these sights.
You're happy to be here and of course carry the sentiments of Bangladeshi Hindus as well.
Yes.
What's your name, sir?
Kaushik. Kaushik.
Kaushik, where are you from?
I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. So, is this your first time to be
Yeah,
at
this is
Durga
my
Puja?
first time here.
What do you do in New York?
I work in IT.
You work in IT, where?
Yeah. I work in H&M building, TikTok.
Oh, right here.
Yeah, right here.
So, how excited you are to be participating
Yeah,
in
it
Durga
is
Puja
very
today?
excited. It is very excited. I think this is the first time happening in the Times Square. I'm really looking forward to it.
Is it time that all the Hindus got together here and show their
Yeah.
support and sentiments for their brothers in Bangladesh as well?
I think I watched the news and I was been following on X. It's been pretty rough these days.
What's your name?
Kavita.
Where are you from?
Yeah, New York. I live in the New York.
Are you from Bangladesh or India?
Yeah, Bangladesh.
Are you happy that all the Hindus have got?
Of course. That's very beautiful and nice. Everybody enjoying our religion and every part of the people.
And your brothers from India have also got together.
Everybody.
So what's your name?
This is Indrajit Singh. I'm from Bangladesh. This Sharadiya Durga Puja organized by Bangladeshi Hindu community. This is the first time in Times Square. This is incredible and then very we are excited. This is every year Bangladeshi community will be organized this one.
Are you from Bangladesh or India, sir?
Bangladesh.
What's your name?
Ramesh Roy.
Ramesh Rai. How excited you think you
Well,
are
so
today?
much excited for this puja. First time we have seen that. We are very enjoyable. This is.
Are you unhappy and disturbed with whatever is happening for the Hindus in Bangladesh?
So Bangladeshi people or the Hindus is not happy because they have a lot of corruption, a lot of looters.
But many of them were killed and many of them were
Yes.
displaced. Were you disturbed?
Yes, they do that.
What do you think will happen?
They are very scared. The life security is the past, so there is not life security any in Bangladesh. No Hindus get the life security.
Hindus are not safe there.
No there.
Why do you think so?
Because they have the Muslim people, they have always torturing, they have always harassment, they have everything they want to the daughter, wives, everything they want to. So
Are you happy with the support the Indians gave it to you guys?
yes, of course, yes, happy to support the Indians.
What's your name?
Ashim Das.
Ashim Das?
Yeah.
What do you do?
I'm working for the city, New York City.
Oh, okay. And how excited you are that Times Square is celebrating Durga Puja?
We are very excited. This is the first time we are celebrating Durga Puja in Times Square.
But you can't celebrate like this in Bangladesh anymore. Hindus are facing a lot of atrocities
Bangladesh?
in
Yeah.
Bangladesh.
Yeah, who is there? We are
Are
celebrating.
Hindus safe there?
I don't think so.
Who would have thought decades ago that Hindus from Bangladesh and India would unite here for the solidarity for each other and also to mark the onset of the pious festival of Navratras here in Times Square. But as they do, I bring you this special report from Times Square, even as I miss my own home back in India for the celebration of this festival of Navratras, and I am also going to miss Dussehra. But here I am in the middle of action to bring you the report by talking to people in this frenzied, electrifying atmosphere from New York City as I continue to bring you a lot of ground reports for the New Indian on the upcoming US elections. Keep following me, Rohan Dua, on the New Indian.